What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Home Depot Jack of Spades. Alright guys, this guy is pretty cool. He'll definitely go good with my bartender, Dean the Deathologist, who's also from Home Depot. This guy is, I don't know, kind of like a party guest, I guess you can kind of call him. I don't know what he could be called. But this guy actually can sit or stand, which is very unique. I assume he can just sit down in some little chair. So let's get right into the unboxing. This guy's really unique. Coming out first thing, we have the base, which is alright. I mean, there's not really any supports, but I guess this guy doesn't have really any motion, and hopefully it won't be in too much wind. Alright guys, so right here we have some leg foam. Leg foam, if you guys don't know what it is, it basically just fills out the leg, so it's not like bare bone skinny. The bone collector has that problem when the wind picks up. Alright guys, right here we have a very wacky piece. I've never seen something that looks like this before. That's interesting. Right here we have some miscellaneous pole.
I apologize for my actions in the last video.
It was like
I'll do better.
It was like 4 videos ago.
I'll do better.
Alright guys, so right here we have like the module piece with the control box and like a muscle piece at the front. I don't know what it is. It's just some big chest piece. There's also a little mechanism right here that makes his little cigar and his drink go up. Alright guys, right here we have some kind of hip loop thing or waist connector. Right here we have another miscellaneous pole, and we also have another hip loop for some reason. Everything plastic wrapped. Okay, I don't know. Right here we have a little top hat thing. Maybe it's a bucket hat. I don't know what it is. Right here guys, we have his hand with his like beer thing in it. Also his cigar. This looks really nice actually. This looks like there's actual liquid in there. There's actually like ice cubes in there, and it definitely looks like a step up from Dean the Deathologist, who didn't have anything in there. Right here we have the instructions, and I probably will be using these today to be honest, because there's a lot of pieces in here that I don't know what to do with. Guys, right here we have his clothing, which is pretty good quality. Feels kind of similar to the Pennywise from Spirit Halloween, so that's definitely good. Not quite as good, but I mean, you have like, I don't know, this waterproof material in here, so it won't like collect water and all that, so that's awesome. Alright guys, so right here we have his other hand with his cards, and these cards are amazing because Henry Hustles, I can't really display him like outside of the little dome thing that we have because they're paper, and paper and water don't mix, so
No way.
this guy's cards, they actually still look really nice, but it's plastic. Alright guys, here's his pants. They're about as good quality, and they actually have overalls, so yeah, these go.
They're not good quality.
They're alright. But he does have some overalls that go over his shirt, so it's pretty cool. Alright guys, so right here we have his head. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I think the mouth movement's gonna look really nice. It is a skeleton, but it's like a golden type skeleton. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, but overall nothing like too special, but looks pretty good. In this little box, we have his adapter. And right here, we have his final leg poles. These are definitely leg poles because, I mean, they're pretty good quality and definitely look like they'd go together for leg poles. Not like this, but they'd go together for leg poles. Yeah. That is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get into the setup. Alright guys, we just got him all set up and ready to go. Let's plug him in.
Welcome to my game, mortal. I'm the dealer who always knows when to hold 'em and when to fold 'em. My bony fingers have dealt with the best and the worst. So you think you got what it takes to outsmart me? Then take a seat and let's see what you're made of.
I love him.
I deal in fear and fortune. Whiskey, cigars, and a deck of cards are all I need to make your nightmares come true. Don't let my skeletal appearance fool ya. I know how to play this game. The question is, do you, kid?
So he's not even scary. He's just a skeleton who wants to play poker.
Well, look at that. Looks like I have myself a dead man's hand. Lucky for you that it was dealt to me, since I don't have any skin in the game. But then again, I don't have any skin at all. Are you feeling lucky, punk? Well, you better be, because you're playing with the best. I've seen it all and won it all. From cheaters to cowards, kings to beggars. But don't let that scare you. The buy-in is just your soul. Hey, guys and dolls, take a seat, pour yourself a drink, and let's see if you've got the skills to match your courage. If you can beat me, you'll earn my respect and get to keep your soul. And trust me, that is not an easy feat. Just ask the other four spirits here. No one has made it out alive.
All right, guys. So that was the Jack of Spades from Home Depot Halloween 2024. I think this guy is absolutely awesome, especially for the price of $150. It's not bad at all. Harlow, what do you think of him?
He's really good.
Yeah, definitely interesting. I love this thing. How he like raises the glass to his mouth and then he goes, I don't know. He's really cool. I will leave a link in the description if you'd like to purchase him. I believe this guy sold out in like 15 minutes on the website and they had a bunch of them available. So he's definitely a prop that a lot of people want. And now I really see why. But yeah, I will also leave a link to my merch store. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.